welcome back to Travelers Fun. Today I am taking you to a place. When you travel, you will see a lot of natural beauties. And today especially I am going to show you the roadside, which is natural flowers. So these flowers is growing almost every month. That means all season. So now I am going to show you the type of flower which we can see when you travel from Meli to Umswai. So these are the flowers you can see on the roadside. So about 5 to 6 kilometers when you travel, you see this kind of flowers, and then it's really very beautiful. So when you got time, please visit in our land. I'll be there to guide you. Please call me whenever you're free, or just go to Travelers Fun Vlog and then you just comment there and I'll call you for sure. Bye.